everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and I'm back with another video. Listen, we got the Porphis PRD 717. Yeah, we making a video on this one. Of course, hey, the People's Champ edition. You know, I told you guys they gave me the People's Champ, you know, PRD 717. They also gave me the People's Discount. So, you know, when you put in People's Champ on their website, you get a 5% discount. Hey, I do what I can when I can do it. Listen, we spraying with the PRD 717 today, and let's just talk about it. So real quick, this is the PRD 717. Hey, I don't know if you can see that, but it has the split nozzle technology. You know, 1.3 tip. When it comes to the gun controls, this here, that's your fan. This here, this is your fluid. This here is your air regulator. So I'm gonna crank this all the way up till I can't crank it no more, which I think I got it already set. That thing is wide open. I'm gonna have the spray gun at 2.5 clicks out from close, because when you turn this, it clicks and locks in place. Then I got the fan all the way open. Then I closed it, I think a quarter of a turn. I'm gonna start there, see what it does. Listen, we testing it out on this fender. I got a motorcycle fender that I need to get done. So not too big of a job. We're gonna see what the PRD 717 does. I'm gonna throw my Sagola disposable cup system on this thing. I got the Harbor Freight adapter. I don't know what the number is, but I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. Make sure you got it. I guarantee it's the Black Widow adapter. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'm gonna throw that number up on the screen. So if you get one of these and you need an adapter so you can get you a PPS system, hey, you get that Black Widow adapter and boom, you in there like swimwear. So enough talking, let's get to it and see if we can make this thing shine like we want to. Let's go. All right, first things first, I started off by sealing the motorcycle fender, and I'm actually using the AeroPro A610 to spray my sealer. I'm using a 1.3 tip, so that's what I'm sealing the fender with right now, and I'm using a 1K sealer, so it's only a 1 part, not 2 parts. Great to use on, you know, parts like this. And the AeroPro gave me a nice foundation. I had some breakthroughs in the primer, so just wanted to seal it and make sure everything was all one even color before I start laying down my base. Alright, get ready to jump into the base, checking my pattern, adjusting the spray gun, getting it right. So I know I said I was at about wide open and a quarter turn in. I believe I turned it up another quarter. So 2 turns in from wide open, and I'm spraying base at about 26 psi. Again, making some adjustments. This is the very first time spraying with this spray gun, so just trying to get it dialed in. This spray gun has a huge fan on it, so if you you want to, you can close that fan up, and I mean, it's going to give you plenty fan to work with. And with the setting that I have here, it's not a lot of material going on the panel, so it gives me room to make quite a few passes without putting too much material on. So again, you see me making adjustments to the spray gun, checking my pattern. Alright, second coat of base, and we dialing the thing in a little bit more. The People's Champ Edition PRD 717. And as you can see, I'm spraying it a little bit wetter now. You can see that shine a whole lot better now. First coat, I kind of like put it on real light, but the second coat, I'm putting it on a lot more heavier. And you know, this PRD 717 is putting on the material nicely. Making sure I'm getting up under the motorcycle fender, making sure I'm hitting all my edges like I need to. Just making sure I'm getting everything that needs to be hit with some paint. Alright, so this is the third coat of base. Of course, this is a solid black. I believe it might be 8555, a GM black for this motorcycle fender. Wasn't really a match for the motorcycle, but the customer just wanted it all black, so that's what we went with. And the PRD 717 is doing a great job spraying this black. I mean, it almost looks like I'm laying clear down already. So the PRD 717 is, again, doing a great job. And again, with the settings that I have, I'm not putting on a lot of material. I know this is the third coat, but I actually have very little, material coming out of this spray gun because it puts a lot of material on the panel. So I could dial it back, and I'm not putting on a lot of material, so it's not going to cause me any issues. This is a great spray gun. You're putting the material on the panel. You can see, look at that. It's glossing it up without it even being clear. That's just base. Great spray gun. And here are the results of the base coat after 3 coats. Now, it's looking kind of peely, and that's going to be my fault. It's not the spray gun's fault, it's my fault. Now, at the time of spraying this, it was 82 degrees in the shop. It was a hot day, and I was using a medium reducer, which I should have been using slow. So because of the materials that I was using, I got this effect. I probably could have got this a whole lot smoother, but I was still satisfied with the results that I got. Again, here you can see it's 82 degrees, jumping back and forth between 81 and 82 degrees in the booth at the time of me spraying this motorcycle fender. Alright, so we jumping into the clear coat now. I'm going to lay down 2 coats of clear, and I'm spraying at 30 psi with the same settings that I use with the base coat, and you can see it's pouring on the gloss, already giving it a nice shine. I knew this was gonna turn out real nice, and the PRD 717, it didn't disappoint at all. The clear coat that I'm spraying is the Finish One FC 720, and the PRD 717 having no issues spraying this clear, doing a wonderful job with it. That split nozzle technology, and I enjoy spraying with it. On to our second and last coat, only needing 2 coats, and still spraying at 30 psi and just slowing down and really getting that clear coat on now. Again, you see that big fan, and I'm telling you, that fan gets even wider than that. So if you like a big fan on your spray gun, you might want this spray gun in your collection. Atomizes great, feels great in the hand. Just a nice spray gun to have, man. They really put this spray gun together nice, which I've sprayed with a couple of their spray guns, you know, referring back to Porphis. And again, this is another one of the good spray guns that they have. I had an issue with the 135, but got it to work a little bit better. But again, a lot of great spray guns that they have over at Porphis. Alright, kings and queens, tell me what you think. Drop me something in the comments. We got a little orange peel in it, but I explained that already. And it didn't help that I used a medium hardener in the clear as well. So I can live with this. You know, I'm gonna call it operator error. But, you know, drop me something in the comments. Tell me what you think. How did the PRD 717 do? I think it did a great job. So you tell me what you think, or what you think could have been done better. But we're gonna do a lot more spraying with this one. So that's the end of this one, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Everything